Hi, this is Vizi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to manage who can tag you on photos in Twitter. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go! By default, Twitter users are allowed to tag users in the photos they share on the social networking platform. However, users have the option to prevent others from being able to tag them in photos. In this video, I will show you how to prevent user from tagging you in photos on Twitter. So first of all, of course, we have to open our Twitter. Now you can tap on your profile on the up left corner here. Now you can tap on settings and support. Tap on settings and privacy. Now you can tap on privacy and safety. There is an option audience and tagging. You can tap on that. And you can see there is an option photo tagging on the bottom here. You can tap on that. You can choose by default. It said anyone can tag you, but if you only want people you follow can tag you, you can choose here. Only people you follow can tag you. But if you don't want anyone can tag you on photos on Twitter or videos, you can tap on off. So if you choose this, no one can tag you on photos on Twitter. So that is how to manage who can tag you on photos in Twitter. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you!